Olá and welcome to Daily Portuguese.
This is podcast about Portuguese language and Portuguese culture.
Bom dia, Maria.
Hello, Dulcidia.
Como estás hoje?
Estou um pouco cansada.
Eu também. Eu preciso de uma cesta. Okay, so
So you need a nap.
yeah, I don't need a nap. I need. Maybe after we finish recording. Okay, we'll talk about that. So,
Tu achas ou tu pensas?
penso que sim.
Ah?
Acho que sim.
Because this is actually the topic of our today's episode.
Achar or pensar.
Yes.
Which is a problem because in English you only have I think.
But we are going to help you differentiate them.
We are going to, yes, your life will make sense from today. Or not. And if it makes sense from today, then you're welcome. If not, it's not our fault. So, just to start this is a very typical mistake. I've seen it often happening where people use achar instead of pensar and use pensar instead of achar. Pensar is the brain working to think about something. This is one of the...
It's like consider, no?
Consider, yes. Achar is your opinion about something. If your opinion about something is something that you've been thinking about, then it's yes. But if it's just like, oh, I think it's going to rain, I don't think so. I think it's going to be sunny, I don't think so. That's achar. Acho que vai chover, I think like it looks like it's going to rain, like I think it's going to rain. And pensar is like, penso sobre a vida, I think about life. You have anything there to share?
No, I'm just checking different translation, and achar is to think, obviously, but like find, think, find out, and pensar is to think, believe, imagine. But I would say it's more consider.
I never thought about that, imagine. It's like, but oh, because you can say, oh, pensa sobre isto, imagine about this. Okay, imagine if, okay, can be. So we usually use achar que. When you
I
say
think it's
yes
easy
and
to,
no.
it's easy to think like achar you have to you use for your opinion,
Yes.
and pensar you use for like that you really need to consider something,
Yes.
to think about something.
Process it. So, achar, we usually, when you say yes or no, like I think yes, I think no, we use the construction acho que. And then sim, não. Acho que sim, acho que não. I think yes, I think no. You can also use penso que sim, penso que não, like I think so. But then, to think about something, pensar sobre, eu penso sobre, or penso em. Like if I say that I think about buying a new car, penso em comprar carro novo, which I don't. But I wouldn't say acho sobre pensar eu acho em comprar carro novo. It doesn't make sense. And it sounds weird. So we would rather go for pensar instead of rather than achar. Yes.
Yeah, so pensar, I'm wondering about something, no?
Kind of something that you have in your head. And achar is like right now.
Yeah, achar that you already have it decided in your head.
Yeah, but because because achar is your opinion.
Yeah.
So sometimes I show you videos. As like I ask you what do you think about this, and in Portuguese it would be o que achas disto. What do you think about this? O que achas assim? Like what's your opinion on this? And basically that's it. It's just what I wanted to do with this is just I wanted to separate them. Like, okay, let me explain this to people because it's very common that English speakers, they just like, okay, they are synonyms because if you translate them, they apparently are synonyms. And then they just like, I'll use whatever I feel like. And then they use the wrong one.
Okay, so give some examples.
Oh, okay. So when kids ask us something, we say I have to think about it. Tenho de pensar sobre isso. which really translates to no way, but I don't want to tell you no right now. Or as I said, acho que amanhã vai estar bom tempo. Like, it looks like it's going to be a good weather tomorrow. Wishful thinking at this moment. And penso em, estou a pensar sobre as férias. I'm thinking about vacations. Where to go, what to do, and so on. Or, okay, you do this a lot. And this is a good example. You show me something and I think, acho que é caro. I think it's expensive. Like, I'm not saying, but I say like, acho que é caro. We do that a lot. But if you translate our English conversation. And basically that's it.
Okay.
That's it for it. Ciao.
Bye.